reporting.
Hello.
How you doing?
How y'all doing today? Good, good. Take a look at your driver's license real quick if I could. See, he's right up on that van, man. He was right up on the back end of that van. Pulled you over for tailgating. Is this your car? Okay. Cool. Where are you headed?
Well, we're coming from WSU, and we're standing early.
What's WSU?
University, basically. That is SWAT team and everything.
So we're, okay, I'm having a hard time hearing you because of the traffic. So you're coming from Washington State University, and you're going where? Oh.
We're going to be going to Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we're slightly punchy because we're driving for hours.
Hours, days.
Hours with driving. Well,
Yeah.
almost a day.
Okay. And what did you say about some SWAT team thing? Or
Yeah, there was a mass shooting and everything. We don't know if it was a mass
Where?
This was
Interesting.
Well, it's horrifying because he's supposed to be university, you know what I mean?
So y'all work at the university there?
I actually do work there.
Oh.
PhD in criminal
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I hadn't heard about that incident. Just yesterday, or?
This happened this morning. About an hour and a half ago, we're still wrapping it up, investigating it. I'm not sure there's two shootings because they did shoot somebody,
Let's see.
and then we don't know about that actually. They were there with shooting out of the window or something.
Interesting. Wow. Okay. Well, do me a favor, don't follow too close, okay? All right. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Stopped me when you were driving by me there. You were a little too close to the back of that semi. And you in the back of this trailer. We're about one car going 10 miles an hour, so we're going 60 or 70 miles an hour. About 6 or 7 cars. Oh, you guys did?
Yeah, man. Stay there. So,
you guys stopped by a trooper? We don't have any SUVs. It was a county guy. Was it like a black SUV?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. He thought you guys were following too closely? Today? Well, I'm not going to give you guys another ticket or warning if you just got stopped. Just make sure you give yourself plenty of room, okay? So like I said, it's all about how fast you're going, okay? So if you're going 10 miles an hour, you only need one car lane. And if you're going, so the speed limit here is 7. If you're going 70 miles an hour, you need 7 car lanes. Yeah? That's the easy way to explain it. Yeah. Okay. It's really,